everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my cilantro lime chicken wings. They're really good and they're very yummy, and they're also very good if you are on a paleo diet or a keto diet. This marinade works very well with those diets. It's pretty simple. All we're going to do is we're going to take all the ingredients, we're going to put it into a blender, and we're going to blend it up. Then when it's done blending, we're going to smother our chicken in it. We're going to put our chicken in the fridge and let it marinate for 2 hours. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get going. Right here I have some chicken wings. I'm not going to be using this whole thing because it's the family size. So it literally comes with just about 2 servings for a full family. So I'm going to use only about half of them. They have been thawed out. And it's a, pretty decent sized chicken wing. Go ahead and throw them in there. You don't have to worry about seasoning them with salt and pepper because there is salt already inside of our marinade. Okay, so we're going to jam pack this full. Okay, I still have some left over, so I'm going to marinate those with a different marinade. This is our cilantro lime sauce marinade. It's very good. It smells, it smells amazing. It smells so fresh. You're going to take it and you're going to pour it over. And it's super green because of all that cilantro that we put in there. Try to get as much of it as you can. You can always make, another batch if you need more, if you're making larger quantity of chicken wings. This also works great with any other chicken, chicken thighs, chicken breast, even a whole chicken. You could try this, for like a rotisserie chicken that you would cook in the oven. Alright, so now that we got these covered, we're going to put the lid on. I love my Tupperwares. They really are just the best. Okay, then we're gonna go like this. Just kind of shake it, because you want to get the chicken covered. Shake it and shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. You're not really cooking unless you have fun, right? Alright. So I think that's probably just about good. I am going to leave the lid on, but you want them to be covered. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the lid back on. We're going to put it into the fridge for at least 2 hours. 4 hours is better. And we're going to flip it once every hour. So that way all the marinade that seeps down to the bottom, it will get put back up onto the other chicken. So that way it's more or less marinated at an equal rate versus just the chicken on the bottom of the Tupperware getting more marinade than the ones on the top. Alright, so when these are done marinating, we're going to be back and I'm going to show you how to cook these on the grill. So our chicken is done marinating now. I have my grill set to around 425 degrees, 450. You want it to be around that temperature. Now what we're going to do, obviously, is we're going to open the grill. It's going to place it directly onto the grill. These are going to need to cook 15 minutes on this side. Flip them over. And then they're going to take about another 15 minutes on the other side. And then, after that, we're going to remove them from the grill. And you're going to want to let them sit for about 10 minutes. So our chicken has been cooking for about 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip them over. Let them cook for another 15 minutes. And then after that last 15 minutes, we're going to want to take it off the grill and let it sit on a plate or a platter or whatever you would want to put these on, and for 10 minutes. Alright, there you have it. Now you know my recipe for my cilantro lime chicken wings. They're really good, and like I had said before, the marinade for the chicken works very well. If you're on a paleo diet or a keto diet, this one's really good. You need to try it out, and I highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!